So yeah, guys, I just thought I'd give you a little update as to why videos have dried up a little bit on my channel. I haven't stopped doing things. I will put up a little show of things I have been doing right now. So first off, we have this TV cabinet, which I built using the leftovers from the kitchen build. I cut a hole in the back there for any cabling that is needed, and due to a miscalculation I had these two glass doors left over from the kitchen build, which worked really nice for the cabinet. Really pleased with how this turned out. I think it suits the room perfectly. What do you think? Let me know. Do you like it? Do you not? Let me know what you think. So at the front of the house here, I have given everything white, a fresh coat of paint, just to freshen everything up. And as you can see, I've taken the old path up and I have been laying a new path using some of the slate slabs left over from the patio builds. And last but not least, I have grown myself a new lawn, fresh from the seed. I don't want to talk about it because it took a very long time. But there we go. So I have been up to things. Thing is, filming things and then editing them all take time. And ever since the world has started opening up again, I've been back at work pretty much full time. Work's back to normal now. So I haven't got the same amount of time that I did have over the course of the previous, 18 months now. I was furloughed on and off for quite a large portion of that, which then gave me a lot more time to be making videos, coming up with ideas, editing, all of that good stuff. But I don't have quite as much time anymore, and there is potentially some exciting news to come from myself shortly, which hopefully will have a big impact on my channel. But it means that I want to just get some jobs done. There are some things I need to get done relatively quickly. And that's about it, guys. The channel's certainly not dying. I've got ideas and content that I'm really wanting to get filmed. But time is the issue. I don't have a whole lot of it at the moment, but I am trying my best to get things filmed and got ideas and things in the works that hopefully I will be able to get to you soon. But with that, I will leave you there and have a good week.